Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making another beauty. We are working on a 18-inch grapevine wreath. We got this beautiful glittered heart. We also got this other one which I just inserted some caboodle sticks. Use your glue gun on this project or extra wiring. We made the simple ribbon out of our Bodabra. We're working with some peonies. Got some beautiful peonies. We got some roses. We also got some beautiful greenery growing on. We are going to use these ferns. So with that said, we got our scissors and our wire cutters, and let's get this rolling. Okay, first things first, I am going to adjust my little hearts. Let's put some caboodle sticks in there. We're just going to get this and insert it in there like that. This is the part you can put glue on there to keep it more secure, and we are going to put our beautiful bow on. This in here. Where's the other side? Oh, I got it. Look at that. This looks beautiful just like that, you know? Okay, I'm going to use these ferns. Ferns. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got one. Which one's bigger? They're both the same size. So we're going to get this up in here. Put it kind of higher so we could get some height in there. Down here so we could get some length going on down here. Uh-oh, what is that? Get some light in there. Okay, we're going to put this kind of bended. Pick this up. Okay, look at that. Got one kind of going up. So we could have our beautiful greenery going up like this, and this is kind of going down, okay? Now, we're going to get some more of our beautiful greenery going on. Let's kind of get this rolling in here. Gonna put some out to the side because we're going to have our flowers in here, but yet get a little bit in there, you know. That. Let's get some more up here. Kind of working with your fern. Okay, we got that part right there. Now we're going to come to the bottom down here. We're just going to do the same thing, everybody. Go down here. Work with your fern leaves. Kind of lift them up and weave them in there. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, wow, look at that. I think I'm going to leave these two leave a little left over so we could work around our beautiful peonies and roses. Let's get these guys in here. We're going to kind of shift, you know, put some roses and get some peonies. Oh my, look at that, everybody. And we'll just get a little one, you know, right in here. Kind of up in here. But then yet we're going to get this beauty to kind of tone it out. Look at that. How's that? Wow. Okay, now we're going to go down to the bottom. And we are going to do the same thing. Let's get this in here. That's one. Let's see. Let's get a rose right in here. Beautiful. Gonna get one more peony over here. Beautiful. Then we're going to work in with some more greenery. Make it dramatic by putting some more, hanging some more down like that. Look at that. And then get some more up here. Ooh, look at that. Everybody, so beautiful. Now, I think that's it, huh? Oh, let's get some of this white in here so tone it down. See how the colors, this with the white kind of makes come out more. I think we're going to get some rose up in here. A little rose. We'll get one more up here. How's that? So we have another rose up in here. Let's see. We can get one in here, huh? Look at that. Got a beautiful ribbon, our beautiful greenery, our roses. Now I got this little thing which I put a caboodle stick in. And we are going to set that up here, buddy. And there it is. Look at that, everybody. Wow. Beautiful. Let me lift it up so we can see. Look at how beautiful this came out. Peonies, a beautiful ribbon, some greenery, roses. Wow. This looks so lovely on your front door, in your living room, in your kitchen, wherever. Give it to your special someone. Let me check this out up here. Wow. How beautiful. I'm going to turn it this way. My table's not that big. But here we go. We got, let me see. There. You see? Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. You'll also be helping my channel grow. You see that, everybody? Thanks for coming to my channel. I enjoyed being here and this came out beautiful, you know. Thanks again. Until the next one, have a wonderful day and let's get that laughter and smile on. Thanks for watching.